Another really useful plant for the immune system is lemon balm. It is in the Labiataceae family, which is the mint family, and it grows like a weed, a bit like mint, very prolifically, and it gets these long, flattening, progressive root system. This is really woody. This is a very old plant in my garden, and it just keeps on coming up with foliage, and you're just constantly cutting it down, especially in the spring, and putting it into smoothies and drinks and teas and whatever. Just more you cut, the more it comes up. So that's really hugely available and very easy to grow. You can almost regret having it, but it smells. I'm slightly having a joke here with you. It's called lemon balm, but it really smells of lemon. It's so fragrant and so refreshing. So that's a lovely one to know for various reasons. So it's hugely antiviral, and it's specific for herpes zoster, cold sores, also the chickenpox virus. It's really useful for that. And for that you would make a tincture, take a tincture, 5 ml, 3 times a day, or put the lemon balm powder into smoothies or capsules, or drink it fresh in a very strong brewed tea. And don't forget, decoctions and teas are in my kitchen demo, so you know really what you're doing. But the other lovely thing about lemon balm is that it supports the nervous system. So often when we're not well, we're actually less capable of being robust and confident and things like that. We can feel a bit more nervy. So this is a double whammy. I love that. So if you take it, it can just chill you out, make you feel a bit calmer. And if you're a bit depressed with being ill, it can lift your spirits. So it's a wonderful one for the brain, and it can be taken for depression as well. It also, and Lorna was talking about this with the immune system, very often if the immune system's under attack, the digestion is very poor. And she was emphasizing the importance of the gut integrity in the immune system. So this is really going to help again for immune competency and digestion all in one go. It is a very specific herb for fever, so it's often referred to as a fever tea. And so include that if you get fever. With thyroid issues, the jury's out here, but at the moment everyone is saying if you have low thyroid issues, maybe don't take it. So at the moment we're sticking to that rule.